One thing we got to do when we look at aging anomalies, one of the first things to go, and we take a look at these two gentlemen, one of the first things to go is the neck. If you see the younger gentleman, the neck hasn't started shredding and turned into a turkey. Then we come here to the older gentleman, and I don't know if you could tell, but the shredding has started. Now, I don't know the ages of these two men, but I wanted to use them as examples. The younger one and the older one. The neck, one of the first signs of aging. So exercise. This right here is a neck exercise. Put tension in your neck. I mean, it's very simple. A lot of people want to complicate it. The reason for the tension is to move blood to the neck muscle so it doesn't shred and hang like a turkey. We've been misled by a lot of doctors, plastic surgeons, because it's free to exercise your neck. They don't get any cash for that. So they'd rather lie. But look, I'm not asking for any money. I'm not running any commercials. I just don't want to see beautiful women age and start sagging. Put tension in the neck, do it on a regular basis. It'll pay off. Every day. The body and the face are the same thing. Muscle and tissue. This right here